Hi there! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a new blog post to your WordPress website. The first thing you need to do is log into your website. You can typically get to your website's login page by typing in your domain name, then type / followed by wp-admin, unless the login page was changed from the default value. After you have logged in, you will be able to create a new post. There are two ways to create a new post. You can use the toolbar at the top of the page by clicking the plus icon with the word New, or you can put your mouse over the Posts menu option in the WordPress admin and click on Add New. When you add a new post, WordPress will open the post editor where you can type in a title for the post and add your content. Type in a title for your post. Whatever title you choose will automatically generate a URL for the post. If your website is set up to use the post name in the URL, the words in the title will be used for the URL with dashes separating each word. If you change the title later on after the post was saved, the URL will remain the same unless you update it manually. You can type in the content much like you would a Microsoft Word document. Just click in the space below the title and start typing. You can also use the plus icon to insert common WordPress widgets such as images, videos, or other elements depending on what plugins and features are available on your website. On the right-hand side of the screen, you will see a set of options for the new post. Typically, it is best to organize your posts using categories. You can view the list of categories your website currently has, or add a new one by clicking on the Categories tab, which will expand to display the existing categories. Check the box next to the categories you would like the blog post to be added to. By default, posts will be assigned to a default category that is typically called uncategorized. If you would like to create a new category, click on Add New Category. This will display a simple form with two fields. Type in the name of the category you would like to add. If it is a subcategory, choose the parent category from the drop-down field. Once you are done, click on the Add New Category button below the form. Next, you can add tags to your post by clicking on the Tags tab and typing in the common search terms that are relevant to your blog post. Use keywords and phrases that people would likely use if they were looking for your content. You can add a featured image to your post, which will set the thumbnail image for the post when it is listed on the website. To do so, click on Featured Image and either choose an existing image from your media library or upload a new image. Once you are done, click on the Publish button in the top right of the screen. This will make the post public. If you are not ready to publish it, click on Save Draft instead. Once the post has been published, a message should pop up in the bottom left with a link to view the post. It will disappear after a few seconds. You can view all your existing posts by clicking on the icon inside the square in the top left corner. You will see all the existing posts on your website, along with their status. To edit a post, simply click on the title. When you click on it, it will open the default WordPress editor. If you are using a page builder such as Beaver Builder, you may see options to edit the page using the page builder if it is enabled for posts. And that is how you add a new blog post to your WordPress website. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more tutorials, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.